Hey everyone! Welcome back to QZ Blitz. In today's video, we're playing Guess the Animal by Emoji. We've prepared 25 exciting questions, and you'll have 10 seconds to guess each one. For every correct answer, you'll earn 1 point. So make sure to keep track of your score. If you're ready, don't forget to subscribe to QZ Blitz and hit the like button for more awesome challenges. Alright, let's get started. Here's your first question. What's the name of this animal? Yes, it's a jellyfish, floating gracefully in the ocean. Can you guess the next one? Amazing, it's a monkey, swinging into the right answer. Let's see if you can crack the next one. Yes, it's a butterfly, fluttering by beautifully. What do you think this next one could be? Incredible, it's a deer, a graceful and gentle creature. All right, let's go for the next one. Wow, it's a dolphin, smart and playful. Here comes the next challenge. Can you guess it? Yes, it's a lion. The king of the jungle roars in victory. Time to guess the next one. Amazing, it's a panda, cute and cuddly with a love for bamboo. Let's move to the next one. Can you? Wow, it's a tiger, fierce and majestic. This next one's coming at you. What's your guess? Yes, it's a bear, big, strong, and ready for a nap. Try to guess this next animal. Amazing! It's a snail. Slow and steady wins the race. Now, let's see if you can guess this one. Wow, it's a hamster, small and full of energy. What could this next animal be? Let's find out. Yes, it's a wolf, the howling hunter of the wild. All right, let's move on to the next guess. Incredible, it's a rhino, strong and impressive with that horn. Can you guess the next animal? Wow, it's a catfish. Not quite a cat, but just as fun to guess. Here comes the next one. Good luck. Yes, it's a caterpillar, on its way to becoming a butterfly. Guess the next animal if you can. Amazing, it's a ladybug, a tiny spot of luck. Let's move to the next one. What's your guess? Wow, it's a squirrel, always busy gathering nuts. What do you think the next one is? Yes, it's a bison, majestic and strong on the plains. All right, time for another guess. Amazing, it's a pig. Oink oink, what a cute guess. Let's test your skills on this next one. Wow, it's a chameleon, master of disguise. What's the next animal? Take your best guess. Yes, it's a camel, a desert traveler with humps to spare. Ready for the next one? Here it is. Amazing, it's an elephant. Big, wise, and unforgettable. Let's see if you can guess this one. Wow, it's a seal, clapping their way into your guesses. What's your guess for the next one? Yes, it's a bat, flying through the night. Now, let's move on to the next animal. Can you guess it? Amazing! It's a bulldog,